Outdoor living spaces have become an essential extension of our homes, providing a perfect setting for relaxation, entertainment, and family gatherings. One of the key elements that can transform an outdoor area into a cozy haven is the inclusion of spacious outdoor sofas. These pieces not only offer comfort but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. Outdoor sofas serve multiple purposes. They provide comfortable seating for socializing, lounging, and enjoying nature. When designed thoughtfully, they can also enhance the overall ambience of your outdoor space. The right sofa can create a focal point, define areas within your outdoor living space, and complement the surrounding decor. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore various design ideas and tips for incorporating spacious outdoor sofas into your outdoor living areas. So watch the video until the end to see our today's content and get inspiration. Benefits of outdoor sofas. Comfort. Outdoor sofas are designed to provide comfort for extended periods, making them ideal for gatherings. Style. Available in various styles, colors, and materials, outdoor sofas can match any design aesthetic. Durability. Constructed from weather-resistant materials, outdoor sofas are built to withstand the elements. Versatility. They can be arranged in different configurations to suit various activities, from casual lounging to formal entertaining. Choosing the right material. When selecting an outdoor sofa, the material is one of the most critical factors to consider. The right material not only affects the durability and maintenance of the sofa, but also its overall aesthetic appeal. Popular materials for outdoor sofas. Teak wood. Known for its natural resistance to moisture and insects, teak wood is a classic choice for outdoor furniture. Its warm tones add a touch of elegance to any space. Aluminum. Lightweight and rust-resistant, aluminum frames are easy to move and maintain. They come in various finishes and can be paired with cushions for added comfort. Wicker/rattan. Synthetic wicker or rattan offers a stylish and modern look while being durable and weather-resistant. It's often used for sectional sofas or lounge chairs. Fabric. Outdoor fabrics like solution-dyed acrylic are UV-resistant and water-repellent. They come in various colors and patterns, allowing for customization to match your outdoor decor. Design ideas for outdoor sofas. Sectional sofas. Sectional sofas are perfect for larger outdoor spaces. They provide ample seating and can be arranged in various configurations to suit your needs. L-shaped sectionals, ideal for corner spaces. L-shaped sectionals create a cozy nook for conversation. U-shaped sectionals, great for entertaining. U-shaped sectionals allow for easy interaction among guests. Modular sectionals. These versatile pieces can be rearranged to fit your space and accommodate different activities. Sofa sets with coffee tables. Pairing an outdoor sofa with a coffee table creates a functional seating area perfect for drinks and snacks. Low coffee tables. Opt for low-profile coffee tables that allow easy access to drinks and food without obstructing views. Ottoman coffee tables. Ottomans can serve as both coffee tables and extra seating when needed. Fire pit tables. For added warmth and ambience, consider a fire pit coffee table that doubles as a gathering spot. Daybeds and loungers. For those who love lounging outdoors, daybeds and loungers offer a perfect retreat. Canopy daybeds. These provide shade and comfort, making them ideal for sunny days. Adjustable loungers. Look for loungers with adjustable backs to customize your lounging experience. Outdoor sofas with built-in storage. Maximize functionality by choosing outdoor sofas with built-in storage compartments. These pieces can store cushions, blankets, or outdoor games, keeping your space tidy. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Incorporating outdoor sofas into your space. Defining zones. When designing your outdoor living area, it's essential to define different zones based on how you plan to use the space. Social zone: arrange your spacious outdoor sofa around a coffee table or fire pit to create a social gathering area. Relaxation zone: position loungers or daybeds in quieter corners for relaxation and reading. Dining zone: if you have space, consider adding an outdoor dining table nearby to create a cohesive dining experience. Enhancing comfort with accessories. Accessories play a vital role in enhancing the comfort and style of your outdoor sofas. Cushions and throws: use weather-resistant cushions in various colors and patterns to add comfort and visual interest. Outdoor rugs: an outdoor rug can define your seating area while adding warmth and texture. Lighting: incorporate ambient lighting such as string lights or lanterns to create a cozy atmosphere in the evening. Integrating nature. Bringing nature into your outdoor space can enhance the overall experience. Planters: use planters with vibrant flowers or greenery around your sofa area to create a lush environment. Water features: consider adding a small fountain or pond nearby to create soothing sounds that enhance relaxation. Shade solutions: install umbrellas or pergolas to provide shade while allowing you to enjoy the beauty of nature. Maintenance tips for outdoor sofas. To ensure your outdoor sofas remain in excellent condition, regular maintenance is essential. Cleaning. Regular dusting: wipe down surfaces regularly to remove dust and debris. Deep cleaning: use mild soap and water for deep cleaning fabric cushions or wooden frames. Protective covers: invest in protective covers to shield your furniture from harsh weather conditions when not in use. Seasonal care. Winter storage: if you live in an area with harsh winters, consider storing your outdoor sofas indoors or using weatherproof covers. UV protection: use UV protectants on fabric cushions to prevent fading from prolonged sun exposure. Budget considerations. When planning your outdoor sofa area, it's essential to establish a budget that aligns with your vision. Cost factors. Material quality: higher quality materials may come at a premium but will last longer. Size and configuration: larger and more complex designs generally cost more. Accessories: don't forget to budget for cushions, rugs, lighting, and other accessories that enhance your space. Finding deals. Seasonal sales: look for seasonal sales or clearance events at furniture stores. Online retailers: explore online retailers that often offer competitive prices on outdoor furniture. Incorporating spacious outdoor sofas into your outdoor living areas can significantly enhance their functionality and aesthetic appeal. By carefully selecting materials, styles, and accessories, you can create inviting spaces that cater to relaxation and socialization. With thoughtful planning and maintenance, your outdoor sofa setup will provide comfort and enjoyment for years to come. Whether you prefer the modern lines of aluminum sectionals or the classic charm of teakwood sofas, there are endless possibilities to explore. Embrace creativity in your design choices, define zones within your space, and integrate nature to craft an outdoor oasis that reflects your style and meets your needs. Enjoy the process of transforming your outdoor living area into a haven of comfort and beauty. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and enjoy uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.